Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can do this challenge where I will only use the style showdown dress no matter the theme. So let's hope the theme is like date night or like Met Gala or something, because that dress is quite the show. Also, I'm allowed to use like the set, whether it's like skirt only or top only. I just have to use the dress. So let's get started. Let's look at the theme in 3, 2, 1. Please. Harajuku, are you kidding me? I have to wear that Harajuku theme I meant. Let me see like an example. Outfit, dress to impress. Oh my god. Okay. I mean, I guess I'll use the corset for it. I don't even have like a face saved for this. Oops. A nose. Let's see. I'm not sure if I like the eyeshadow. Blush. Let's add some blush. Okay. Oop. I don't know. Is this Harajuku? Like, what? Harajuku outfit? I mean, I guess so. I'm going to use these clips. I know they're more for like decora, but they still fit the theme, you know? Oh my god, I have to use the style showdown dress. This is not good. Okay, maybe just the top. Like, I'm allowed to do this. Where's that like color? Oh, here we go. Should I use a skirt? I mean, okay, let's use a skirt. So we capture the essence of the outfit more. I'm unsure about that eyeshadow. Let me go back and fix it. There we go. That fits it better. All right. I'm gonna add more stuff. Let's remove the bows for that. Oh my god, I am on a time limit here. I like have no time. Oh my god, I do not like this. Nope. I'll get some like, okay, I'll put like maybe the skirt on. Oh my gosh, this does not look right with that. I might, you know what, I might remove that skirt. Or should I leave that? I don't know what to do. Where are those leg warmers? Seriously, where is it? Okay. Could not pick like a worse theme, honestly. Oh my god, alright. Let's do only ribbon. Let's see, shoes. I'm gonna wear these shoes. I'm gonna wear these striped socks. I mean, these are already the color that I want it to be, so. Oh, I also have to make the socks with no feet. Oh my god, what else? I need more skirt. Like, I need something a little bit poofy, but I can't. It won't show. Okay, what about this? Okay, not bad. Ooh, I need to add sleeves. I wish I like just knew where everything was, because I don't know where everything was. Oh my god, I need sleeves. No. Wait, where is it? Oh, this one. Oh, this is good enough. Like, I can't. I wish I had more time. I obviously don't have enough time, but this is my fit. I needed to use that outfit, so I'm so sorry if I let you down. Oh my god, this one's so cute. I don't like the face, so I'll give it like a 4. A 3 actually, because I really don't like the face. Okay, so cute as well. Why do they put like their mouth so close to the nose? Like, what is going on? I'll give it a 3. I really like that fit though. What did she use for her fit? I'll just watch the video back, you know? Okay, I'm giving it 1 because obviously she's not finished yet with her look. Ashley Coffee, 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, I'm judging no means that I like my dress and fit, but I had to wear the style showdown bit. Like, I had no choice. This one's actually giving. It's a little bit too much though. I'm gonna give it a 3 again. Like, I just don't understand why she put on every single. I just don't like the color, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I actually really like the colors. So I'm gonna give it a 3. I'm just giving everything a 3. It's just a face. Like, I don't like it. Okay, this one's cute. Why is the face like that? It's too harsh for me. But they do have better fits than me. I do admit that. Oh, and a flop. But that's fine. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.